beautiful gift. Looks very nice, and it is a special request from my lovely and lively friend Ajita to cut open this box and record it and send it to her. So here goes. So here I have started chopping it. Yes, let us see what my friend had sent me, and let me do away with the scissors. And wow, it seems to be something great and nice. Let me see this. Oh wow, great. So this is a beautiful card sent by Ajita. I'm going to read it a bit later, and maybe I'll just zoom it there for you. This is the card, and I'm going to read it out loud and clear to all my family a bit later. And yes, oh my goodness, this is awesome. Let me see what this is. As per Ajita's special request, I am opening the box right there in front of her eyes. Sorry for what I dropped. Probably it's just, yes, it's a stand. And wow, just look at this. My goodness. God bless. Isn't it beautiful? It's like her and me. Me and Ajita, forever friends. Best friends forever. Thank you, Ajita. I loved the gift. Thank you so much, dear. This means a lot to me. God. Okay, so this is a very beautiful, I wouldn't call it cake. It is a very beautiful show of affection. By our LVM family, and really very nice on their part to have made these wonderful arrangements at such a short notice. लिमे मॅडमचा आवाज पण रेकॉर्ड झालेला आहे. पण थँक्यू एव्हरीबडी, व्हेरी स्वीट. हो, कम्प्लीटनेस नाही आहेत त्याला. for all the wonderful wishes and all the lovely blessings that you all have showered upon me. The journey in life has been a blessing so far, and I am sure with these wonderful wishes and blessings of yours, the journey henceforth also shall be equally beautiful. As I am on CL today, I am not able to meet you all in person, but I wish to convey my heartfelt thank you to all of you. So there was once a time when I used to doll up my kids for various theme birthday parties, and now it is their turn to dress up their mom for her own birthday party. So see you soon in person, all of you, and thanks once again for the beautiful birthday wishes. Thank you.